Hello everyone. So finally we have launched our test series for GATE in Data Science and AI exam. So this is my website piyushwairale.com. You can just go through it. I will provide the link in the description or just you can go to piyushwairale.com. Okay, so at first we are going to discuss what is the fee structure and what all we are going to cover in this particular course. It's not exactly a course, so it is a combination of test series plus you can say other supplementary content, right? So here you can see we have total 7 courses, 7 subject in our GATE DA. So first three is probability statistics, linear algebra, and calculus optimization, right? So for all the three topics, we are not providing the lectures, but there will be tutorials. So tutorials will be like problem solving tutorials, or I will take one particular concept, I will discuss that, and based on that, I will take few more examples, right? So that will be tutorials, not the lectures, right? And the test series, notes, discussion forum will all be there. We'll see the demo also, like how the discussion forum looks, how the notes and study material will be there, and how test series looks. So this is the plan for these three subjects. Lectures are not there, but tutorials will be there. Okay. And for probability and statistics, the fees is just 300 rupees. Linear algebra just 200 rupees. Calculus and optimization part just 200 rupees. Okay. So that's about the maths and stats part. Nothing in it. But now the next is PDSA. So lectures I have not decided it yet to decide. But as of now, there will be just tutorials, right? So in one of the tutorials, I will take few data structure and try to discuss some important points regarding that. And test series notes and discussion forum will be there. And it is just for 300 rupees. So the next subjects are DBMS, machine learning, and AI. So these are the few important subjects that we are going to discuss in detail. So there will be lectures, there will be tutorials as well, and test series notes and discussion forum will be there, right? So we already started the lecture series on AI and DBMS. You can see my YouTube channel. I have already started the lecture series on these two subjects, and we are going to start the machine learning in the next month. Okay, so the fees for this is 300 rupees, machine learning is 400 rupees, and for AI is also 400 rupees. Okay, so the lectures for DBMS, machine learning, and AI will be on YouTube as well. So but there will be tutorials regarding this which will not be available on YouTube. Okay, so but the lectures will be available on YouTube. You can watch it. That's not an issue. But tutorials will be part of a course, so it will not be available on YouTube. So the charges will be just 300, 400, and 400. Okay. Then we have full length test series, that is total 10 tests will be there. So its costing will be 200 rupees. So around just 20 rupees per test. Okay. So full length test series means like same gate pattern, 3 hours time test series having 65 questions, like 15 marks for aptitude and 85 marks for technical part. So please note that we don't have a test series for aptitude part. Aptitude will be there in a full length test series, but not in a separate course, right? You are paying this amount for test series and study materials. Okay, lectures will be available on YouTube. The tutorials will be part of the course. So yeah, so it will be private. It will not be available on YouTube. So that is the case, and discussion forum is there. Okay. Now this is about the fees. Now let us look at the schedule. So first we are going to start with AI course. Okay, so it is going to start from 25 September, and then DBMS and warehousing from 1st October. Okay, because initially we because initially I have not planned to launch any test series or any course regarding the GATE DA. I just wanted to post the lectures on AI part on my YouTube channel. But looking at your response, I have started this test series. Okay, so that's why we are going to continue with AI part and DBMS part. So at first we are going to cover all the syllabus of AI and DBMS part. So which will be a basic to intermediate level, but all syllabus we are going to complete. So and based on that you will get the questions also. Okay. So once we complete all the subjects, then we'll come back to again AI parts to discuss more complex or in-depth concept. Okay. So there are few topics which will require more extra knowledge. So that will be going to cover at the last. But also that is not important because I don't think they will ask that much difficult question. So basic to moderate we are going to cover in this course, and then at the last, if we time permits, we'll cover the extra topic also. Okay, at a higher level. Same for all the courses. Now this AI and DBMS will be a full course lecture series starting from 25th and 1st October. Now, linear algebra, calculus, and probability and statistics part. This will be a test series, okay? Not the lectures. So, test series will get activated on 5th, 8th, and 10th October. Along with that, you will get some tutorials also, right, to help you in the test series and to like in problem solving. So, you can take the benefits of that. Then we are going to start with machine learning. That is 15 October. That is also full course. Like same strategy we are going to follow. First, we'll cover all the topics like from all the syllabus of machine learning, like basic to intermediate level, and after that, if time permits, we can go in more depth. Okay. Then PDSA test series will be there from 25th October, and full length test series will start from 15 November. So I will try to cover as much as possible before 15 November, so you will be fully prepared for the full length test series. Okay. So that's the thing. So this is about the fees structure and the schedule of the test series. So if you want to purchase individual course, you can purchase it. These are the fees. Okay. But we have some combo packs also. Combo package pack one means Gate in Data Science full course without full length test series. And another thing is like with full length test series. Okay. So if you just open this, so here you can see combo pack one. So it will cover the full course, like all the 7 courses are included, whose total amount is 2,100 rupees, but you will get this course at just 1,000 rupees. Okay, and also you can use this particular coupon, use discount code first 20 to get 20% off. Like you will get 200 rupees off on this 1,000 rupees also. So this course will be around 800 rupees. Like all the 7 courses will be there. Next combo pack is this combo pack 2 along with the full length test series. So if you see, if you calculate from the fees structure, so it will be around 2,300 for all the 7 courses and full length test series, but we are providing it you at just 1,100 rupees, and here also you will get the 200 rupees off if you use this coupon code. Okay, so it will be around 900 rupees only. So that's the two combo package you have available. And if you scroll down here, you can see different subject wise courses. Okay, if you just click on view more, so here you can see a subject wise course. If you want to purchase this, you can also purchase the subject wise. Now, before purchasing the combo package or subject course, if you want to see a demo course, so we have a demo course also you to get familiarized yourself with the portal. So here you can see AI demo course we have given. So just click on that. It's just a demo course. It is valid for 10 days only. So once you enroll for this demo course, you can just continue it. Okay, it is free, so you can just use it. So this will be a portal look like. On the left hand side, there will be a content like videos will be there, right? Lectures will be there, tutorials will be there, and here you can see some like content is locked because we are going to release after the specific date. Then we have exercise, that is 1.1. Exercise means test. Topic wise test series is there, that is exercise. So for this case, we have 8 questions and time is around 20 minutes. So let's start the quiz. Okay, so this is the proper exam portal you will get in the TCS and GATE exam also. You will get similar thing, but the only difference is that the save and next button will be there, will be on this particular side. This calculator will be on this right hand side, in the upper corner with a symbol, right? So there are only few alignment changes will be there, but most of the portal will be as it is only. Okay. Now, the main feature of this particular test series is scientific calculator. So you have to use the scientific calculator for each and every calculation because it is a main component of GATE exam. Okay. If you are not used to this, if you are not practicing the scientific calculator, you will lose mark because it will take your more time and you will not able to attempt the questions. Okay. So this is very important thing to note. Like you have to use the scientific calculator only. Okay. We are paying some extra money for this particular feature. So please try to make full use of this. Okay, so this is about scientific calculator, and here you can see on the right hand side the number of questions you have attempted will be visible. So as of now, I will just attempt game tree decision will be based on minimax algorithm. I'm selecting this, then you can see just select save and next, right? You can just go save and next, and if you attempt it, it will be marked as green. So answered, not visited, marked for you, and this thing, right? So there are few questions you can just try it out based on AI, like whatever the lectures I have discussed. Okay. So this is the question. If image is not visible to you, so you can directly click on images. It will be visible. Okay. So you can answer the questions. So this is about the test series. You can give a try. If you have already watched the lectures, you can easily attempt this test series. Okay. So if you want, you can watch these lectures also, and then you can attempt the test series. Now, next feature is about the study material and notes is PDF format. So here you can see you can just go to the notes here, right? And if you have any doubt in this particular note, you can just comment below. You can add the image, you can take the screenshot, you can add an image, and you can post it the here. Okay. So we'll discuss if you have any question also. And if you can go to full screen and just you can go do next pages and you can just go through this particular notes. And if you want to download the study material, there is one more option. AS, like here you can see download symbol. So you can download it from here. So that's about the exam portal. Okay, so just you can go through this demo course to get more familiar with the portal. Okay, so that's the thing. You can just purchase if you want any course, or if you want to go for combo packages, you can easily go through it, and you can use first 20 as a coupon code to get 200 rupees off. Okay, and if you have any question regarding the portal or regarding the test series, you can simply connect me on this particular Telegram group. So we have Telegram group. You can just join that group, or you can connect with me on personal social media accounts also, right? So that's it from my side. If you have any doubt, you can join my Telegram group and we can discuss it there. Okay. And please note that the validity of this particular courses will be 31st of March 2024. Okay. So 2 months after the gate exam. Okay. So that's it from my side. If you have any doubt, you can just comment below or you can join my Telegram channel. Thank you.